Many thanks for staying with us right here. And as promised, before we went on that break, we are taking you to Vihiga. The burial of the 4 family victims of the same family that were killed by an unknown gang in Busamu Village in Vihiga is currently underway. Now, both parents and their 2 children were killed, but 3 of their children escaped unhurt after they hid under the bed. Well, Willie Lusige is there with the details for us. Good afternoon, Lusige. What more can you tell us about the proceedings this afternoon?
Malika, is a sober mood here, but villagers are still concerned about their security because when these 4 members of one family were killed, it was only 2 weeks after another couple were also killed in such a similar manner where the thugs never stole anything but maybe stole a few petty things including chicken. And the bigger issue has been to find out what has been the cause and the motive of these killers, because we are aware that Vihiga has had a number of insecurity issues dating back even to the days that we saw even night guards being killed, 6 of them being lynched in one night. Definitely the right people to speak to are the leaders here. Maybe you can tell us briefly your name and what do you think is the reason behind these killings?
Thank you very much. My name is Vihiga Victor Bulemi. I'm the MCA for this ward, Lugaga Mluma, and we really were shocked when this incident happened. As a local leader, as the member of County Assembly for this area, I believe there is much that the government can do in terms of providing security and support to the community initiatives. Apparently, we are being informed by the county DCC that there are transfers in the major police stations around. But for me, I still believe we can do much more than the transfers, because transferring officers is just transferring the problem. We need a more proactive approach in terms of providing support security services to the people, because these are the same people who are actually paying taxes and they deserve much better services.
So you think the police have not been doing their right job in handling the security issues in this region?
You know, when you talk about patrols and the police are patrolling the area with using vehicles, if there is an incident in an area and probably a burglary or a robbery is in progress, we definitely would expect those who are involved to run away. So we need more of foot patrols. We need more of close monitoring of the security agencies that are actually being sent here, and we need more of the structures that are locally available, because if in this sublocation, the Bunandi sublocation actually does not even have an assistant chief. There was a case in earlier on where the assistant chief was involved in a scene, but then the case has dragged for over 4 years now, and this is actually exposing the area to poor coordination of the local security in the sublocation. So we have the challenge of having an administrator who can be able to offer support services to the chief. We have the officers who are not responsive enough to the needs of the people, and we have Nyumba Kumi that is not functional for lack of financing.
Thank you. And you are the member of parliament. You have been elected by the people to legislate. Maybe what do you think is the main cause, apart from insecurity leading because of the police have failed in their job? Because I've spoken to some of the people here, they're saying there's lack of employment, they're saying young people have gone into drinking.
Yeah, first I want to say to give my condolences to the family of the Ambanis for the loss of the 4 family members. We have Vihiga a number of issues. The first one is of unemployment. Vihiga is densely populated, and sources of income are limited. We don't have any productivity in terms of serious agriculture. We don't have any industries around, and we really depend just on human resource, and that becomes a major problem which affects the whole country. So that's one. The second one is what you heard from Mheshimiwa, is the police, the security organs. We feel they are not up to date, because just a year ago, you remember at Kilingili, we lost 6 watchmen who were killed in cold blood, and the police station was just 50 meters away from the scene of the killing. And now, a lot of other cases have been taking place. And when we look at the structure of the management of the issues, we notice that there's laxity in the time of the policemen, because first, the way they do the patrols is not right. Second, the coordination between them and the locals is not working well. So we think that should be worked on. Yes.
Thank you so much. Because of time, I'll have to cut you short, but we expect a lot from you because you have been elected as the leaders here. So definitely we'll be following up the whole proceeding here at the burial, and definitely we'll be giving you more details as we end up the day, in the course of the day, actually.
Thank you very much, Will.